Welcome to this video on the safe installation of electrical systems on ships, designed for marine engineering professionals. Proper installation practices are critical for the safety and functionality of all marine electrical systems. Marine installations are governed by strict standards. These standards serve three primary purposes: protecting systems from harsh environments, preventing localized failures, and maintaining the structural integrity of the ship. To achieve these goals, engineers focus on four critical physical domains: securing cable routes, sealing bulkhead penetrations, protecting switchboards, and effectively earthing all metal components. When routing cables, installers must ensure they are laid in straight lines to protect against moisture and mechanical damage. Furthermore, cables must be kept away from heat sources like boilers and hot pipes. Essential services, such as steering, require redundancy. Installers must route duplicate cables on separate paths so that a single localized fire cannot cause a total failure of the system. Maintaining physical integrity is vital. Cables must pass through watertight decks and fire-rated bulkheads, ensuring that all compartments remain secure against water ingress and fire propagation. To seal these penetrations, engineers utilize specialized boxes and stuffed glands. These components contain flame-retardant packing, which is essential for maintaining both fire barriers and watertight seals. Switchboard protection is equally critical. To prevent water damage and electrical shorts, installers are strictly prohibited from placing switchboards under leaking pipes or liquid tanks. If pipes must cross over switchgear, engineers use continuous, flangeless pipes. Alternatively, protective drip trays are installed to catch any potential accidental leaks. For liquid-immersed transformers, safety is managed in 3 steps: placing units in metallic compartments, utilizing save-alls to contain leaks, and ensuring dedicated drainage to prevent oil from reaching the ship's bilges. Electrical faults pose significant threats. All non-current carrying metal components must be properly earthed by connecting them directly to the ship's hull using appropriately sized copper connection. For ships with wooden masts, lightning protection is mandatory. Installers use copper tape to route lightning energy down to a submerged plate, allowing the ocean water to safely dissipate the charge. This matrix summarizes our core mitigations: separate cable paths for fire, drip trays for water, hull earthing for electricity, and transformer save-alls for pollution control. Indian standards unify these practices, ensuring that glands, straight routes, drip trays, and earthing methods combine to form one cohesive and safe ship architecture. In summary, strict adherence to these installation practices is what ensures marine safety. The crew relies on these standards, which provide the ultimate structural shield for the vessel.